Ever looked at your wrist and thought, bro, this watch makes me look like I borrowed it from my dad? Yeah, been there. That's exactly why I went searching for a watch that looks sharp, sporty, and doesn't scream trying too hard. And that's how I found the Casio MTP-B195. Stick around, I'll tell you if this one actually deserves a spot on your wrist. So if you're searching for a watch that works for school, office, casual days, and even those important meeting but I'm still nervous moments, this might be it. I've worn this daily and here's my real take. First thing you notice, the clean angular design. The stainless steel case feels solid, not lightweight or toy-like. The sharp lines give it a sporty edge but it still looks professional. I've worn it with a polo, a button down, and even a hoodie, and somehow it fits all of them. That's rare. This isn't just about looks, you get a clear date display which I actually use more than I expected. Plus, the 50-meter water resistance means rain, hand washing, or accidental splashes aren't a problem. I didn't baby this watch and it handled daily life just fine. Is it a luxury watch? No, but that's the point. It's reliable, easy to read, and doesn't feel fragile. It's a kind of watch you put on and forget until someone notices it and asks, hey, what watch is that? So if you want a clean, sporty, everyday watch that actually feels worth wearing, the Casio MTP-B195 quietly delivers. Simple, solid, no drama, just does the job right. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.